Good morning to all. Our respected father, teachers, aunties, and my dear friends. We, the little learners of Ukg C, are here to present today's assembly. Our theme is very important for everyone. It is cleanliness. Clean hands, clean home, and a clean classroom. They keep us healthy and full of bloom. Before we begin, let us thank God for this beautiful day. Join hands, close your eyes, sing the praise song. Hope for the day. Cleanliness is next to holiness. So let's check in and stay healthy. I repeat, cleanliness is next to holiness. So let's check in and stay healthy. Hi friends, watch our little skit on cleanliness. Hope you will enjoy it. Cleanliness is next to kindness. Let's make our classroom shine. Let's clean our classroom. It's our responsibility. Look, our classroom is sparkling clean now. We should do this every day to keep our classroom tidy and happy. Let's make a promise to keep our classroom clean and beautiful always. Now, we will say some clean habits. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Wash our hands before and after eating. Keep your face short and clean. Wearing clean clothes makes us look smart. Clean hands. That is how smart kids make a fresh start. Let's have a clean day.
Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes a place untidy, Pick them out. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes a place untidy, Pick them out.
Now I invite our Vice Principal, Father Noel Matthew, TR, to address us. Welcome, Father.
So you're ready to say good morning before I say? Good. So good morning everyone once again. Good morning. Okay, good. What is today's topic for the assembly? Cleanliness, right? Is it important? Let me ask you a question. Are you all clean today? In what way you are clean? Did you have bath today in the morning? Yes? Why do you take a bath? To clean yourselves, right? How do you make your place clean? Do you make your place clean? In what way? I see in your tables lot of drawings, crayon, with pencil, and when I open the cover, you can see a lot of papers in your box also. Is it the way you make clean your place? Is it? No. You should always make your place neat and clean, right? I take this opportunity to congratulate class Ukg C, students of class Ukg C, and the class teacher for this beautiful topic for the assembly here. Thank you, dear teachers. And let us give them a big round of applause.
For your kind words, may I invite Emmy to lead us in the prayer. Next to the nation.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा